Check it, people. Beauty of nature. This is where I go fishing. Beautiful, isn't it? My bobber's somewhere out there. Apparently the gas bro is jumping right now, running upstream and mating with all the other fish and everything like that. Which makes it a little hard for me because I'm trying to catch trout. Here I am. Hello. How's everyone doing in Videoland? I guess I'm doing okay. Oh, excuse me, I gotta sneeze. Maybe I don't. Maybe I do. There's my bobber. Look at the reflection and how clear the water is. That there is the top of those trees. Check it, isn't that pretty? Where else are you gonna find this kind of beauty? Talk to you later. Bye.